Today's video, we're gonna make Jamaican curry shrimp and white rice. Please stick around and watch this video. So Nakana Knife sponsored this video. I've always wanted a knife from Japan. This is a made in Japan, handmade. Look at it, guys. Look at this. Beautiful. I also got a discount code. I'm gonna leave all the links down in the description if you wanna get a knife like this. Beautiful. It's super sharp. And also look at the handle. Beautiful. Oh my god. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Let's get chopping. I've already washed my bell pepper and I'm gonna slice this. I'm gonna use about this much. I'm gonna use this amount of bell pepper. Cut these up. You can dice, chop, whatever, however you like it, but I like mine this way. Oh my god, I'm so amazed by this knife. Like, to be honest, I've never had like a good knife before. This is one of like my best knife now. Proper things on them. Happy. I'm so happy about it. Like, I know I'm kind of a show off, but when you have nice things, you gotta show off. You gotta show the world, you know what I'm saying? When you have nice something, you have to show off. Not really show off, but you know, I want to show off so I can go and get a knife like this too. Alright? So I can have good things too. When you're making curry, anything curry, we Jamaican, we like to add ginger in it. I don't know if it's mandatory, but we just always like to add ginger in it. It brings up the flavor, and we also like to say that without ginger in a curry, your belly go at you. Or they would say your belly would hurt you without the ginger in the curry. Worse if you use coconut milk, oh my god, you need to add a little piece of ginger to the pot. Okay, so this is the amount of ginger I'm gonna use. You could use less or you could use more, but just don't forget the ginger, please. Anyways, we're gonna chop up the ginger. Look how the knife I run through the. Oh my god. Now we're gonna add about 3 cloves of garlic. I like to use fresh garlic. I'm gonna use 3 cloves of garlic. I've already washed, cleaned, and deveined my shrimp. Now it's time to add some seasoning to it. Gonna add a tablespoon of Maggie all-purpose seasoning, half tablespoon onion powder, half tablespoon garlic powder. We Caribbean people, we not left out onion and garlic powder in a nothing. Alright? Gonna add half teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes and half tablespoon of Jamaican jerk rub, a tablespoon of curry powder, better pack. Now we're gonna rub this in. Beautiful. Look at this color. Nice. Now I'm gonna dice the potato.